So hi guys, did you know that I got all this product from Temu for free? So tara, let's do a haul. So for this first item, I got the modern capybara cute night light. So it is a good accessories for my room. It has a 30-minute timer and touch function. And dyan nagulat pa ako kasi nagbabago pa siya ng color. Bata ka ba? So for the next item is a cute portable capybara themed camping water bottle with a large capacity. Perfect for students since back to school na naman. Pero bibili din ako ng payong. So for the next item, it's capybara umbrella. A cute cartoon bear design with an orange hat and a blue drink. Lightweight portable, foldable umbrella for men and women. And I also got the Ultra Absorbent Coral Fleece hair towel wrap with a cute capybara embroidery. So magagamit ko siya every night after ko maghilamos or pag maghihilamos ako or after maligo. Basta pwede mo siya gamitin pagbasa ang buhok mo. Then mag-apply ka ng mga skincare mo bago matulog. So next is this capybara plush toy water guinea pig pillow. So it's a huggable pillow. And I also got this cute capybara plush toy with a turtle backpack. It is a soft polyester filled animal. Pwede yun sa mga bata and sa mga collector. Meron pa akong mga item kaso mga clothes yun. Kaya siguro gagawin na ako ng separate video for that. Kaya if you also want a free product from Temu, use my code or click the link on my bio. Kaya ano pinintay mo? Shop ka na rin. Because they also offer free shipping and return.